Hi everyone, this is Sannie from Sannie Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am a bit late in doing this video of my latest digital kit. I think it's called Vintage Florals. That's what it is. It's on my Etsy store as well as my Ko-fi store. You'll get the zipped version on my Etsy store, and on my Ko-fi store you're going to get the zipped version and the PDF version on it. Okay, so it is on a special at the moment. I do believe it's 25% off. Okay, and what is it? It's got 10 main pages, 10 kind of background pages. I lie, 8 background pages, and 10 ephemera pages. So you're getting a big massive kit, a 28-page kit. Without further ado, let's go through it. Okay, so there's a mixture of pastel as well as very bright colors, okay, or vibrant colors. Well, let's just see this kit. Okay, so one of the reasons why I chose to do this kit the way I did it is because my cherry blossom kit that I did lots of collage papers on was very popular. People loved it. So I thought I'll use the same collage idea in doing this, and there were so many beautiful images that I thought it would lend itself nicely to collage. Okay, so that's yellow. Oh, the yellow is so pretty. All are pretty, all are pretty, all are pretty. Okay, so that's the yellow, and that's the blue. And you know, blue is my favorite color, but I must say that yellow really gives this a huge competition. I printed it borderless, so some of the images that look as if they are out of the page are actually not out of the page. I printed them borderless because I like collage borderless. So for example, there may be some that are truly out because I designed them that way, and then there are some that are not, you know, they are out because they're borderless. Okay, right, so here's the blue. So if you're wondering why all the images are cut, not all are cut. Like for example, the circle wouldn't be cut in you know, if you're printing it normally, but because I like borderless. Then there's a peach. Okay, sorry. You know what? I print these kits and then I just leave them to the side until I want to use them. So when I'm just like looking at it, this has to be hands down my favorite page. And then also the clock is not cut out in the design. Here it looks like it's cut. This is definitely hands down my favorite page. I love it. And the yellow. And then so that was a maroony. This is a lilac. Oh yeah, they're special. Okay, and then this is also my second favorite page. This creamy browns over here. I love it. Love it. Okay, so that's the other one. And then there's a green. Okay, also the green is stunning. Yeah, you know, the green, the flowers are beautiful. Hey, here. And then there's the pink. There's the pink. So it will remind you a bit about like the cherry blossom, but it is different. It's totally different from the cherry blossom ones. Okay, right. So those were those pages. And I think I printed too short. I'm sure I printed too short now that I'm thinking about it. But the two that I printed short are the ones that have the lines on it. I think so. Yeah. Anyway, so these are the green. This is the green background. Okay. So they're really, really pretty. And this is the pink background. Yeah. So you'll see the whole kit on my Etsy store. This over here is the lilac background, the creamish background. What's this? the more mauvey background, the blue background, and this is so stunning, this one here, and the yellow background, yeah, okay, and the peach background. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and then here is the Ephemera Pages. So I just gave you some large circles, some small circles, some of these labels, and a file folder there. Pockets. So I gave you like 2 background ones and then 2 collage ones. Okay. Here I decided to make the tags in the background version, so you can actually go and spruce it up if you want to. The journal cards, yeah, the envelope, the kind of the belly band or the tuck spot, and these 2 over here. They make nice little belly bands as well. The tickets, and then 2 small pockets here. Nice big envelope here, and the little smaller ones. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And then here I've got the envelopes, and I just gave you like a different kind of a background, you know, other than the floral. So I just tried to make some backgrounds that would work for you. Okay, there. And then more tags, more tags. Look at how beautiful that looks. Sure, that's stunning. Okay, and 2 more envelopes with some fussy cuts here. And that was it. Yeah, so that is your kit that I have over here. And I do believe I just forgot to print out the 2 pages, but you can actually see those pages on my Etsy or Ko-fi stores. And that's it. So I do hope that you like it, and that you will stop by to visit, if not to purchase, because you know these other things is there as well. And yeah, if you make something with it, show it to me. I'd love to see it. And all I can say is take it, ladies and gents. Thanks so much for all your support. I appreciate you. And I'll see you soon. I've already started my autumn kit. It should be out shortly. I'm trying to do 2 autumn kits. So one is lighter colors, and then one is the maroony colors. Okay, that's my plan. And I hope that I can bring my plan to fruition, and you'll see it shortly. And for those in the southern hemisphere that will be going into spring, there is no shortage of kits in my store that lend themselves to the spring theme, and that is the reason why I did this as well. I did this because it definitely lends itself to spring as well. So while I'm doing my autumn kits, and the ladies in the southern hemisphere, you can play with this kit. Take care. Lots of love from me, Sannie at Sannie Creates, and have yourself an absolutely blessed week until I see you again. Bye-bye.